and by the way, it's incredibly appealing in a lot of ways, but there is a dynamism that's missing, right? There's kind of this energy and this this uniqueness that we have in this country. I mean, you go to continental Europe right now, which is actually economically not done very well last 15 years, and we've done very well considerably. Entrepreneurship is largely dying across continental Europe, right?
You're right?
Maybe if you have like one restaurant, maybe if you have like one brand, but this idea of scaling and pushing, and like the Italian tax code cannot grasp the idea of losing money to grow a business. Like it's an income. They're like, wait, what do you mean you're going to lose money? Like that businesses only exist to make money. Like, well, no, you're going to lose it to boost the valuation to grow it. And the point being is that we as entrepreneurs, everyone in this room, I think it's one of the things that makes this country so exceptional and important.
I agree.
Because it creates new wealth. It's new risk in the marketplace. And it delivers for the consumer and the customer and the citizen new ideas, better products, and it's that constant competition is always refining us towards a better version of success.
Yeah, I agree with that. I was going to say, I will speak for everybody in the room. I think that we would like some employees to just work for a year. Would we like just 1 year straight with like every employee that works?
No,
that'd be great.
You want the Japanese bus driver who's been there since he was 23, wears a full suit and tie.
It would be great.